Hi friends! Do you want the cutest and most unique holiday wreath on your front door this year? I've got you covered. I created this cute ice skate wreath for under $12 and today I'm going to show you how. So just let me get set up and I'll be right back. Let's start. Here's the fun part. Happy holidays, creative friends, and thanks for joining me on this festive trash to treasure project makeover. I have a cheap and easy holiday wreath makeover to share with you today. The total cost was under $12, and my inspiration was this pair of thrifted ice skates. This is a super simple and quick project, and it turned out so adorable. I found these ice skates at my local thrift store selling for $4.99, and I actually found them months ago. I thought this would make some sort of really nice holiday project. Then I went to my local dollar store and I picked up this bow. I picked up some red bells and a few other Christmas picks to attach to my wreath. I was actually going to make a nice bow out of some red velvet material I had left over. But you know what? In the holidays, during this time, we're so busy with other things. There's no shame in taking a little shortcut. And I can't wait for you to see how great this bow looks at the end of this video. For the greenery, Nick and I chopped down a few branches from our tree, and then to start this project, we created a swag attaching the branches with the 16 gauge wire. Now, I'll totally admit that when I started attaching or trying to attach these green branches together, these needles are so sharp. They kept on pricking my fingers. And seriously, I had little beads of blood on my fingers while trying to do this project. And then I just called in the big guns because Nick works in construction. His hands are tough as nails. I just let him do the swag. And by far, this was the hardest part of the project for me. Not for Nick, but for me. And I fooled around with it the longest. But once you get these branches together, it's easy peasy sailing from here on in. To give the skates a holiday look, I dyed the laces. So to fancy them up, I removed the white laces and dyed them red. I added about half a cup of honky tonk red paint, which is a perfect Christmas color, Christmas red in my opinion, to about a quarter cup of water to create a paint dye. Then I put the laces into the red dye, making sure that every part of the lace was covered. When I was happy with the color, I removed them, squeezed out all the excess paint wash I could, and then I used a heat gun to dry the laces. Once the laces were 100% dry, I laced them all up back onto the skates. Super cute, right? Now it was time to put everything together. To secure the bow, the dollar store bow, to the greenery, I used a twist tie. And to secure the skates, I tied the top of the laces together and attached them at the top of the wreath. Then using my hot glue gun, I added a few Christmas florals, bells, and shiny balls. I just kept playing around with the placement, and then when I found exactly where I wanted to put everything, that's when I would use the hot glue gun and secure it in place. But it's all individual taste. I would just play around with your wreath until you like the looks of it. then glue it in place and you're all set. This project is so quick and easy. So here's the before. And here's the after. I am loving it on my front door. I'm so happy I decided to pick up these kids' skates because it was the inspiration for this entire wreath. And I love the way this looks on my door, and no one else on my street has one like it. Isn't it adorable? I can't wait to hear what you think. So I hope you enjoyed this ice skate tutorial and it sparked some ideas on what you could do with a thrifted pair of skates and a couple of branches from a tree. If so, please give it a like, thumbs up, and also comment down below because I love reading all your comments. Also feel free to subscribe over at salvagedinspirations.com, where I have over 500 furniture painting tutorials teaching you how to make your furniture beautiful. Also, this will be my last YouTube video of 2022. It's been a blast this year. Thank you everyone for supporting my channel, for being here with me. I wish you a very, very Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays, whatever you celebrate, and also a Happy New Year. And I'll see you again in 2023. Take care, guys. Bye.